Introduction to mitochondria. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell due to their crucial role in energy production. These organelles are present in almost all eukaryotic cells and are essential for various cellular processes. Understanding the role of mitochondria provides insight into how cells generate energy and maintain overall function. Energy production. The primary function. The primary role of mitochondria is to produce adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the cell's main energy currency. This process occurs through cellular respiration, which takes place in three main stages: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Mitochondria are where the citric acid cycle and oxidative phosphorylation occur, converting nutrients into ATP through complex biochemical reactions. Structure and function. Mitochondria have a unique structure that includes two membranes, an outer membrane and an inner membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and permeable to small molecules, while the inner membrane is folded into structures called cristae. The cristae increase the surface area for chemical reactions. The space between the inner and outer membranes is known as the intermembrane space, while the space within the inner membrane is called the mitochondrial matrix. The matrix contains enzymes involved in the citric acid cycle and the necessary components for ATP production. Cellular respiration process. Cellular respiration begins with glycolysis in the cytoplasm, where glucose is broken down into pyruvate. Pyruvate then enters the mitochondria, where it is converted into acetyl-CoA and enters the citric acid cycle. During the citric acid cycle, high-energy electrons are transferred to carrier molecules, which then enter the electron transport chain located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. This chain creates a proton gradient across the membrane, driving the production of ATP as protons flow back through ATP synthase, an enzyme embedded in the inner membrane. Regulation of metabolism. Mitochondria play a key role in regulating cellular metabolism. They are involved in various metabolic pathways beyond energy production, including the synthesis of amino acids, lipids, and hormones. Mitochondria also help regulate cellular stress responses and apoptosis, programmed cell death, ensuring cellular health and function. Mitochondrial DNA and inheritance. Mitochondria have their own DNA, distinct from the nuclear DNA found in the cell's nucleus. Mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, encodes essential proteins for mitochondrial function and is inherited maternally. This unique genetic material is involved in producing some of the proteins required for mitochondrial energy production. Mutations in mtDNA can lead to mitochondrial diseases, which often affect organs with high energy demands, such as muscles and the nervous system. Mitochondrial dysfunction and disease. Mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to various health issues, including mitochondrial diseases, metabolic disorders, and aging-related conditions. Mitochondrial diseases can result from genetic mutations in mtDNA or nuclear DNA affecting mitochondrial function. Symptoms may include muscle weakness, neurological problems, and organ failure. Research into mitochondrial dysfunction aims to develop treatments for these conditions and understand their role in broader health issues. Mitochondria and aging. Mitochondrial function tends to decline with age, which can contribute to the aging process and age-related diseases. Reduced mitochondrial efficiency can lead to decreased ATP production, increased oxidative stress, and cellular damage. This decline is a focus of research into aging and longevity, as improving mitochondrial function may offer potential strategies for extending health span. Mitochondria and cell signaling. Beyond energy production, mitochondria are involved in cell signaling processes. They play a role in regulating calcium levels, which affects various cellular functions, including muscle contraction and neurotransmitter release. Mitochondria also participate in cellular responses to stress and damage, influencing cellular survival and adaptation. Conclusion. The importance of mitochondria. Mitochondria are vital for cellular energy production and overall cell health. Their role extends beyond generating ATP, encompassing various functions such as regulating metabolism, maintaining cellular stress responses, and influencing aging. Understanding mitochondrial function is crucial for advancing medical research and developing treatments for mitochondrial diseases and age-related conditions.